Willa, online boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we're all online bosses. That is my aim, that is my agenda for this channel, to make all your online bosses. Yes, you heard it. Yes, you've seen the thumbnail. How I manifested my first million. Guys, you want to listen to this full video because it's absolutely crazy. And if I can do it, you can do it. I'm not the smartest guy in the room. I got kicked out of school. I was in prison. I was homeless. I've done it all. I've had so much traumas in my life. So if I can manifest this $1 million, so can you. Okay, let's give you a bit of a background story on it, guys. A bit of background story of me. If you could be the first time you're on my video. Guys, I've been in the online industry for about 9 years. First bought actually Bitcoin at $300. Yes, $300. I was actually an advocate for crypto and Bitcoin. I told all my friends about it. One of my friends actually ended up buying 300 Bitcoins at the time. It was worth millions. At first he said it was a scam, he didn't want to invest into it. Then he told me afterwards he actually invested into it when I said it. Long story short, I bought a good side of Bitcoin, but I was like in and out of crypto. You know, I'd go in, I'd come in, buy some, ride it up, spend a lot, come back in, see a dip, buy some more. I've been on and off in crypto for the last 9 years, right? But also I've done drop shipping, affiliate marketing, Facebook, YouTube. Guys, name all the biggest online businesses I've done. That's why I'm the online boss. Okay, so the breakthrough, you ready for it? This was the breakthrough, guys. It was about last year, year and 3-4 months. I got into crypto hard. Like, crypto was going crazy around this time. And then I'm obsessed, and that's another thing you should do, guys. You should always be obsessed with anything you do. If you're gonna do something, don't do it hard, be obsessed with it, right? So I just got obsessed with crypto, seeing a lot of people making a lot of money. I was like, okay, how can I capitalize on this? Then I understood the trends, followed the right people, got the right information. Then I said, okay, meme coins is the trend. Heading first in meme coins. Had coins that went from $6,000 to $1 million. Had coins that went from $3,000 to like $100,000. Many, like endless coins. It's all on my old TikTok. It's Online Boss Official. If you look through the back, the history, you see it's crazy numbers. But now I'm actually using Online Boss _ because Online Boss Official is more just for meme coins, and I don't want to talk about meme coins. Life is a lot more deeper than meme coins, but that was a trend at the time, so I just read that trend. Okay, so this is exactly what I did. It was about the start of that year. It was start of the year, and it was my birthday in about 3 months. And I said to myself, and I manifested, I said, I'm gonna get $1 million before my birthday. Literally. So I literally manifested this. I didn't know about meme coins at the time. I wasn't even doing that well at the time. I was in Marbella, I was doing okay, you know, doing a bit of dropshipping online, doing okay, nothing spectacular. And because I manifested this, there's something called inspired action, very important. Remember this, when you have a manifestation and you write it down, you do all the things that I say you should do, you only want to kind of go towards something that's inspired action. So don't ever go from something from you're desperate or lack, or I'm going to do that because that might work. Just go for inspired actions. And some just keep saying to go to Dubai. It's crazy. Don't ask me why Dubai. I don't know why I couldn't make it in Marbella, whatever. Some of us keep saying go Dubai for the whole 2-3 weeks. It's just about Dubai. Friends, people talking about Dubai. I always feel like to go to Dubai. It's just crazy. Anyway, rang up. Even honestly, during the gospel is truth, I only fly business class. That's just me, and I didn't have the funds to fly business class. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna go on that flight with no money. Like, it doesn't make sense. As I said, guys, I've been making money since for like 9-10 years, on and off. Ride the wave, travel the world, spend a load of money, buy some cars, buy some flashy watches. And I was that guy, and then I've been broke again, and then up and down. I've been I spent millions at this time, but never had it tangible. Anyway, so yeah, so then at that time, I couldn't afford to get business class, and I have this thing since I started to fly business class for like last 9 years. If I haven't got money for business class, I'm not flying. Simple, just me, is what it is. But actually a good thing with manifestation. Your aims need to be high. So anyway, it's crazy because I was like, oh, I'm at Emirates, got Emirates Skyward member. I was like, let me see how much points I've got. I said, let me see. You know, so if I got enough points, and then we're gonna hustle and bustle, get a little grand and a half, and then you know, my points can pay for the rest. Guys, I rang up that says, oh, you've got just enough points for business class to Dubai. I was like, what? I was like, okay, that's it. I was like, we got a flight. Oh, because obviously with Emirates, with any airlines, guys, different price for different times, different days. And it was like tomorrow or day after, something crazy like that, 1 or 2 days. We've got a flight and you can get on that flight with these points. So, okay, then fine. I rang up about 3-4 places to get my COVID test, get my COVID-19 test. Long story short, all 3-4 of them, no, can't get into next week, can't get into next week. Last one, boom, yeah, you can come now, got a space. What? Went down there. No, I was driving at the time. No, I wasn't actually driving. Went down there, got the test done, literally got the results a couple hours before the flight. Cool, went on a flight. Long story short, that was just a bit of inspired action. That's what you should have, inspired action, because I manifested it. So how did I manifest it, and how can you do it? This is exactly what I've done. I wrote it down. I will be a millionaire before my birthday. Okay, and then I looked at it every single day before I went to sleep. Every single day when I woke up. You just got to tap into your subconscious brain, guys. I don't want to go too technical in this video, but just remember, we work on 90-something% of our subconscious brain every single day. Okay, just remember that. So if you want something to happen, you have to tell your subconscious brain. Makes sense, doesn't it? You need to kind of program that into your subconscious brain, not your conscious brain, because your conscious brain doesn't really do nothing for you. Like right now, I'm talking on my subconscious brain, I'm talking and it's flowing. That's subconscious. When you're driving a car, how many times you drove a car and before you know it, you got to your destination, you're like, how did I get here? I was talking to my mate, I can't remember driving, or I was on the phone, naughty, shouldn't be. Or I was zoned out thinking of something and I'm here. Because you're on autopilot, it's your subconscious brain, because from repetition, right? That knows how to drive, and you just flow, in flow state. So anyway, this is a little bit of understanding, I won't go too technical. So I knew I needed to tap into my subconscious brain. So I tapped into my subconscious brain, kept looking at it, even went so deep, put it on all my bedrooms, all my bedroom walls, 2-bedroom time, wall, put it on the wall, put it in the bathroom, TV, all these places, put it on there. So it just kind of like reprogrammed my subconscious brain. Long story short, then there was this, and then I didn't acknowledge that I'd done this until afterwards, because then I got more deep in spirituality and manifestation, and then I was told, and I didn't know this at the time, that drill it in your subconscious mind for like a couple of weeks, yeah, then stop, because if you keep doing it, you're saying to the universe you don't trust the universe, or you're in lack, or you're in lack state, and you're getting a bit desperate. You're gonna do it, collapse into your subconscious brain, then forget about it. So that's what I don't actually genuinely forgot. I didn't forget about it as such, but I put it to the side. It was like, okay, cool. Yeah, I wrote it down and I looked at it a few times. I got bored of it, and that's what they actually say when you the time you give up is the time when it's going to come, and that's just a sign that it's coming when you give up. Very complex. Anyway, gave up. Then literally in 3 months time, around 3 months time, I made my first million. About a week before my birthday. Absolutely crazy. So you definitely can manifest yourself to wealth. But there's 2 things that you need to understand. One is, obviously, you need to reprogram your subconscious brain, so your subconscious brain can collapse it and bring it towards you. another thing you have to have belief. I didn't need to preach yourself to me because I've got belief. Like, I know what I'm capable of, and we are capable of this. We all are geniuses. Remember that. We all are geniuses. We just got to understand where our roles in is, where you can make your millions. Making your millions might not be in crypto, might not be on work online. You don't know. Just go with what you feel. But then on the opposite side of that, it's like, just go with what Inspired Action tells you to do. So my Inspired Action had to go to Dubai. Then at the same point, I started to listen to YouTubers talking about meme coins. So just go with the Inspired Action than anything, actually. Okay, but you have to have belief. I had the belief. I was like, I'm gonna make it. If I don't make it in this time, I'm not gonna make millions. Why? Why can't you think like that? Because we both bleed the same. We're both humans. You can think that as well. So belief is number one. Writing it down was number two. Forgetting about it was number three. So there's three main things, all right, for you to manifest $1 million. Okay, any questions, ask them in the comments. It's quite hard to freestyle this. Might miss something out, might something that you didn't understand. Ask them in the comments and I got you. All right, guys, if you like this video, like it, subscribe, and follow all my socials, guys, because I'm about to inspire you guys and give you the tools to make millions of dollars. All right, peace out.